Hello, good evening, sir. Hello, do you speak English? Hello. Why your patrol attacked my property with the tear gases? We are poisoned here. We are going to the hospital, you bloody idiot.
1 minute. Hello?
Good evening.
1 minute.
What the hell is going on here with you guys? No single police officer speak English here. All you know is attacking my house with the tear gases. Why you attacking people's house? Why you attacking our property with the tear gases today? You must be insane. You must be sick person. How dare the police attack my property with the tear gases today? The whole family being poisoned. Hello, can you hear me?
Hello, yes, I can help you. What do you want?
I'm going to sue you. I'm going to take you to court. You bloody idiot, you poisoned my family. You attacked my house with the tear gases today.
Person from India?
What India are you talking about? I'm in Bani Jamra.
Bani Jamra?
Yes, you just attacked my house with the tear gases. You idiot. I'm going to report it. I'm going to report it to the Prime Minister.
Speak little because I won't understand you.
What understand me? Why don't you tell me why they attacked my house today with the tear gases? How dare you?
What's the problem? What's the problem, sir?
Oh my God, I've been half an hour talking and you still asking me what is the problem? I told you, you bloody idiot, brutal police forces attacked my property with the tear gases. What damn it make you laugh? Why you laughing, you crazy?
Hello?
Hello. Why you guys, you transfer my call from stupid to another? I just need an answer today. Why you attack my property with the tear gases? The whole family being poisoned, you crazy stupid police office. How dare you? How dare you? Animal attacked my house with the tear gases. I'm talking to you, you stupid idiot.
Hello?
Hello, yes, you can hear me. Don't pretend yourselves you're not hearing me. You can hear me very well. I'm talking to you. What Japan? What Japan? You speak English? You don't speak English? Give me your lieutenant. Yes, of course. This is yes. Hello, this is English language. Give me your captain.
English language. You speak slowly. You speak slowly fast.
I will never speak slowly to you.
You speak slowly and then come to your police station, police station.
I'm coming to hit all of you. I'm going to sue you. I will take you to the court. I will report it.
Okay, you come.
I will report it to the. I will report it today to the Prime Minister. You crazy stupid.
Come.
You crazy stupid animal. You are an animal. You brutal idiot.
Don't shout. You come there now fast.
I'm coming. How dare you did that to my family?
Okay, first you come, I say. Okay, come.
You are very foolish, stupid. My name is Michael Jackson. You don't know what have you done to me today. You don't know who I am. You don't know nothing about me.
Okay, see, you now on telephone, you come and The police station after you tell there.
Yes, I'm going. You know you are in deep trouble, mister. I'm telling you, you are in deep trouble now.
كم الرقم دي؟
I will go and put you all of you in jail.
Okay, you come. You come first here.
You are under arrest. You are under arrest.
You listen.
You are under arrest. Surround yourself.
Okay, you come.
Come out. Come out. Come out now. Come out. I fight you.
Where are you?
I am outside the police station.
Okay, you come police station first. You come police station.
No, you coward. Come out. Come out. You face me. You idiot. You attacked my house with tear gases.
Okay, you come police station. Come police station.
I'm coming to slap you in your face, you bloody idiot. I am outside in my car. You come outside, you coward. You come outside, you coward.
Where are you?
I am in my car.
Where are you?
I am in the front of your police station. You come out now, you coward. I'm going to slap you.
Okay, where are you now?
I am outside the police station at the front door.
Okay, come.
No, you come to me.
قال انا هنا برا. Where are you?
You have to give up today. You have to surround. Put all of you your guns down. I'm coming to slap your face. هجموا لبرا هلا، طلعوا لبرا مثل المجانين كلهم سوا. ايه